Okay, Dustin.
It's clean.
Is it?
I might have to upgrade my turd wagon to something like this.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is it.
Okay, so initial thoughts, what do you like the most about it?
The bars.
The bars?
The bars is a game changer. Like for me, I do a lot of trail riding.
Yeah.
And I do a lot of standing. And this is perfect setup for me. I really like the cockpit. It looks super clean. The tank, that's really good looking tank too. It looks
So,
really good.
Is this the IMS tank?
That is the IMS tank, and yeah, these are the prototype. We'll have these in stock in a couple of weeks, so the grip specs made for them. So, yeah.
Nice. Okay, we got Mike out here from ProCycle. Dual Dorks just took the ProCycle TW out for a spin. And you guys, talking about the bars.
Yeah, I stole their bike. I spent a lot of money on their website, so I stole their bike.
Yeah.
For every 1,000, you get 5 minutes. But yeah, that's the tall rider kit, Pro Taper talls, the Power Mad 2-inch risers, new brake line, harness extension, and then it's a total of about a 5-inch rise altogether.
Altogether.
Yeah.
So, Dustin, how tall are you?
I'm 6 foot even.
6 foot. He likes them. Mike?
6'3".
Okay, so for all of you guys that are wondering, is the TW too small? That kit right there eliminates that question. You don't have to worry about it anymore. So I think that right there, I mean, even for a short guy like me, that setup looks pretty sweet.
Well, even for you, you won't be hunched over like Quasimodo.
You're right.
You know, so that's the main thing.
Right on.
Yeah. So, and then the Bradley peg drop down, that'll give you an extra inch about right there.
Yep.
The Bradley peg, low pegs on there. So.
Oil cooler.
Oh yeah.
Oil cooler, disc brake, DG exhaust.
Full coaching suspension. Got the
Bradley 2-inch risers on the front.
or the fork extensions.
The fork extensions.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing's got like all the bells and whistles on it. And it has their 17-inch rear wheel.
And 19 front.
And a 19 front.
Yeah.
So you make the 19s for it too?
Yeah. Yeah, I lace all that up, so yeah, you can go even wider. If you want it, I've built a couple Supermoto setups.
Oh, really?
1717.
Dude.
Yeah, like 4 1/4 in the back and a 275 or 2.5 up front.
Uh-huh.
And then, yeah, you got to raise the pegs up because you'll drag them.
Dude, that'd be so much fun. Ah.
That's probably the cleanest teed up here for sure.
I.
Well, it's a clean. Let's see here. Oh, it's too dark. When it gets darker, I have tank lights underneath the tank.
Are you serious?
All that on your
Yeah.
face.
So the tank glows pretty much.
Yeah.
That's awesome. That is awesome. Okay. See, you guys, this is why you come to TW Fest. Stuff like this. So you can find out what it is that these guys offer. And then if you got questions, you got the professionals here to talk to. So this is why you should come out. Plus, Dustin's here.
It's nice to hang out with everybody too and just look at other people's builds and stuff. So.
It's good ideas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it for this one. We'll have more coming for sure. So stay tuned.